Hey everybody, it's Tom from the Old Man in the SUP. Today a real quick video on how to attach your leash to your stand-up paddleboard. Stick around. Alrighty, here's how you attach a leash to a paddleboard. First, you take the leash string and you feed it under the bar in the leash plug here. And that creates a little loop. You feed the knotted end back to that loop and your leash string is now attached. And you can just leave that on if you feel like taking your leash off to store it. Next, you'll take the rail guard and feed it through the loop until it gets into the crease. What you want to do is make sure all of the leash string is inside the Velcro on that. So on this side, we fold this side down. You fold it down once, twice, and then 3 times. Make sure it's tight. And your leash is now connected and your rail is protected. So there you go, attaching a leash to a paddleboard. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.